Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to be talking to you about how you can make money off of YouTube without getting your videos monetized. Now, people might say that you need to monetize your videos. You need 4,000 subscribers. No, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch views. And without that, people say you can't get money off of YouTube. Here Today I'm going to tell you how you can make money through without monetization, right? And you can do it through affiliate marketing. But before we go into that, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next part. I'm only joking. There's no next part. Alright, so next picture. Okay. So how you could get money through affiliate marketing, right, is a thing that I like to call helping other people, right? So I'm going to give you one, Amazon, and I'll cover that later, right? But how you can make money is you contact brands, and usually brands like Tesco's or like American brands, they have affiliate marketing links, right? So yeah, affiliate marketing links. So then you can make your money, revenue, off of sharing their things. You can make up to 50% of what people buy just through putting your link in the description of a video. So anyone can go on your video, and in like the intro, like for example, a YouTuber I like, Buck Gaming. He has the phone case brand thing that you can go and get a phone case of an NBA player, but he makes at least 50% of what everyone goes on when a person from his channel goes onto that link. Why does he make that money? Because he's into affiliate marketing. That's how, to be short and basic, that's how YouTubers make their money without monetization. More time. But let's talk about Amazon. In the description, right? I'm not getting paid for this, right? If you're a YouTuber or a content creator, or you're thinking about getting some content created, and you just want to, you don't know where to start on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below. You can make serious money. I say serious. Someone was making all 3,000 a month. That may not cover all your bills or all your stuff, but they was doing this. Wait for it. Boom! Affiliate marketing. They was doing affiliate marketing to they had a sign up link. They joined it. They made a YouTube video. They had it as an intro, and then rapidly it will show up. Come on, show up. Okay, earn. As you guys can see, so join. They used the sign up link, and they signed up. They promoted it in the intro of a video, and then they was earning. So guys, don't think you can't earn from your home in like instant. So anyways, like and subscribe, and check the links in the description. Yeah.